Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we have a couple of wide mouth mason jars. I've got a large one and kind of a medium sized one, and we're going to use the USV32 chamber vacuum sealer by Avid to seal them. First thing we're going to do is put some marshmallows in the medium sized jar here. Alright, and cool thing is you can actually do this without any special attachments as long as the jar fits. So first I'm going to do is just put the seal ring on there and just kind of lightly snug it up so it doesn't fall off. And we'll get into our chamber vac. We need to take the insert out. That's just the space filler that you use for a lot of stuff, but the jar needs to be able to actually fit. So since there's no liquid in it, we can set it on its side like so. And you don't have to worry about the time or anything here. You're only going to let it run for 5 or 6 seconds, then you're going to press cancel, so you don't need to worry about what the timer actually says. And we'll go ahead and actually close the lid on this. And I'm just going to go ahead and just press auto vac and seal, and let's just let it run for about 5 or 6 seconds and cancel it. And now the jar should actually be vacuum sealed here. We just actually would tighten our lid back down here, and then it's vacuum sealed. It's not going to fall out. And we'll go ahead and actually pop it here. It takes a little bit of force because it is actually sealed. You hear the seal release there, so it's vacuum sealed like so. All right, now if you wanted to seal a jar with liquid in it that's going to be too tall to sit in there upright, or just a jar like this that's just too big to fit in there, period, you need to use a mason jar vacuum sealer kit. I've got this one from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description to not only this, but the chamber vac itself. Go ahead and we'll show you what's in this thing. So we have our little accessories here, different nozzles for different kinds of lids, and a little opener here to pop the tops off the sealed jars. And then we've got hose. Now this hose doesn't actually work with USV32. It doesn't fit. None of these adapters fit it either. I'll get back to that in just a second. We have our two size tops here for the non-wide mouth and the wide mouth. Both of my jars are wide mouth, so we'll just stick with this one. You also need this from Avid. This supposedly comes with the USB32s now. When I bought mine, if it did come with it, I missed it and threw it away, or I lost it, so I had to go on Avid website and buy this separate. But this is just our mason jar kit here. Get this open and show you how to get this all set up here. All right, and to get this set up, we need to get our seal bar off, which is this piece right here. And just a little bit of light pressure comes right off. And then we have this yellow plug here. A couple of twists back and forth, it comes off. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and put our grommet into the hole there. And both these ends are the same, so you can just stick either end into the grommet. And we zoom out here. And next thing you're going to do with your bottle is you're going to just take your lid there, set it on there. And you're going to go ahead and snug that onto the jar like so. And go ahead and just put our hose in there. And I'm going to hold it here so you can check this out. It looks kind of cool. And I'm going to just again run it for 5 or 6 seconds. And we take it off, and that is sealed on there. We'll take some pressure or the little jar opener tool. You hear the air coming back into the jar. So there's the normal size jars there. And now we'll switch to the big jar. So I'm going to take this big jar here, and I'm not going to put the top on here. It's going to just run it. Actually see this here, it's going to slide on like so, and let this one run maybe 10 seconds or so, and just watch the marshmallows here. and the air comes back in. Now go and we'll seal it the right way here. Put the lid on, push this all the way over, and this is how you do big jars. Or if you had liquid or something, this would also work. And I'm going to just run it again for 8 seconds or so on this big one, maybe 10 seconds. The marshmallow's expanding in there as the air leaves. And cancel. And that is completely vacuum sealed. Here, see how much they expanded because the air leaving. It's very cool, very fun. And really, I think that's all I have for this one, guys. Like I said, Amazon links to all this stuff is in the description. If you have any questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.